Lumière de Hautesse Z. Le Blue Diamond united with 1.40 m level mare. Sire Le Blue Diamond van Ruytershof took part in the European Championship in Riesenbeck with Olivier Philippaz and is a very promising producer of show jumpers. He represents the dam line of Emerald van Ruytershof and is here combined with another Belgian dam line. Lumière de Hautesse Z was bred out of the international 140 level horse Hautesse van de Bisschop, who is a sibling to the international 150 level show jumper Werka van het Lindenhof, ridden by Francisco Musa. This dam line has produced various international 140 level horses already, including Exotica Premiere and Callan van Smetshof.